The 8th edition of the Caribbean Sea Jazz Festival is set to take over downtown Oranjestad this coming weekend. Although the international headliners is what attracts people to buy tickets, organizers actually keep the local artists in mind. A large effort is put in to ensure performers and bands from the island get a fair share of the stage to use as a platform to showcase what they are capable of. Mark Benson-Denz is in charge of PR for the Caribbean Sea Jazz event. He says the dates for the event are planned strategically. Additionally, every year the timetable is laid out to ensure the local artists receive the deserved spotlight.
Yeah, the event has grown every year. I have to say the last 3 to 4 years it has seen exponential growth due to bigger budgets, being able to attract bigger artists, and this of course has attracted more local and also international visitors to the island. And one of the reasons is to give opportunity for local talent to be able to perform on international stage with international artists, and also to attract visitors from other countries to Aruba, specifically in months that it's lesser busy with tourists.
An emphasis has always been made on the local performers at the event. Organizers recognize that the musical talent on the island don't always have the platform to perform on.
And normally during an international concert you would have 1 to 2 local bands maximum performing. During the festival we have about 10 local bands. We have musicians who form special ensembles specially for the festival, playing jazz, playing other types of music, and they really look forward to the event, to be on such a big international stage, an event that attracts thousands of people.
As the Jazz Festival grows, the concept and feel of the event has been defined. Attendees can expect a casual, comfortable, yet familiar ambiance with an earful of great music.
Well, the Caribbean Sea Jazz Festival has positioned itself in a unique way, as in being a really great place to meet up. So you have the food court with more than 8 restaurants, you have the art gallery, you have 3 stages with music. So it's really a nice place where people mingle, people meet up that they haven't seen each other in years or the whole year. They meet up at the Caribbean Sea Jazz Festival. You have the green area where people sit down on the picnic chairs. So it's a real nice ambience of mingling together and enjoying music. And we mix jazz with other popular music, because if you only do a jazz festival you won't attract thousands of people, but by attracting and combining the types of music, people get introduced to jazz.
You can purchase tickets for the event at Superfood or Valero Boulevard for $55. You can also visit their website, www.caribbeanseajazzfestival.com.